Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to transfer ownership of a Starlink kit to another person. So let's go step by step. Start by visiting the official Starlink website and signing into your account. After logging in, open the Your Starlink section and select the Manage option beside the hardware you want to hand over. From there, look at the left side menu and choose Cancel Service. Before moving forward, make sure to save your Starlink identifier because once the device is removed from your account, that information will no longer be visible. Next, scroll to the Devices section, locate your Starlink hardware, and press the Transfer button. You'll be asked to review and accept the transfer terms before continuing. Once confirmed, the kit will be permanently disconnected from your account ownership. You also have the option to enter the recipient's email address so Starlink can send them an activation link directly. If you prefer not to do that, simply close the window and continue manually. Before giving the equipment away, perform a factory reset on the router and make sure every accessory from the original package is included. You should also share the Starlink identifier with the new owner since they'll need it during activation. For identification, the kit serial number can usually be found on the shipping label, although the exact placement may differ depending on the hardware model. You can also use the terminal ID if needed during setup. So that's basically the full transfer process. If you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.